Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. Today we will continue with the topic field visit. In this video we will see and understand how Rahul and his classmates along with his teacher not only enjoyed but gained and exchanged a lot of knowledge while they were on their field visit. So children, Rahul's school had arranged a field visit to Alibag in Raigad from Naldurg in Osmanabad. Children, let's find out how the students experienced the various things as they travelled. If you are looking into your screen, then you can see the location map. So, as they reached Solapur, they had their breakfast and lunch at Sinhagad in Pune. Here, you can see the different places that the students spotted as they travelled in their bus. They saw the dhaba, petrol pump, linear settlements. So children, what are linear settlements? It is a settlement or a group of houses that are built in a long line. They also observed deciduous vegetation, a type of vegetation that dries in a specific region. The teacher had instructed the students to observe the things that they could see on the way and note it down in their notebook. The students were told to look into the given map and observe the changing landscapes and housing types. So the students started discussing the things that they observed. They had seen undulating landscapes and houses made up of clay. As they moved forward, they spotted plain land and agricultural land. Now, as they reached Solapur city, they observed a change in the surroundings. They observed modern settlements, houses made up of cement, sand, rubble. They also spotted malls, big restaurants, etc. While crossing Solapur city, they observed that the vegetation they observed when they had left Naldurg was dry. But here they could see greener fields, mostly of sugarcane plantation, and children, this was mostly because there was many dams built, due to which there is good irrigational facilities. As they reached Sinhagad, they visited the Sinhagad fort. Here also they experienced the change in weather due to higher altitude. They also compared the difference between the Naldurg and Sinhagad fort. Like the Naldurg fort is built on the land, whereas the Sinhagad fort is built on a hill. They also spotted a natural spring water tank called as Devtake. As they reached near Mumbai-Pune expressway, they again noticed a change in landforms. They observed the slopes of the Western Ghats, also known as the Sahyadris. They also spotted some waterfalls, trees with broad leaves. After crossing the Ghats, they saw some paddy fields too. Children, what are paddy fields? Paddy fields are fields where rice is grown. Children, as they were crossing the Western Ghats, they could feel the change in the air. It started to get hotter. Their skin started becoming sticky, and this was due to humidity as they were nearing the seashore and due to high rainfall in the area. Finally, as they reached Alibag, they visited the Talati office to gather some information about crops, soil type and cultivation in Alibag. After all this, they visited the beach and enjoyed the wonderful view. They also enjoyed horse rides. Then they also visited the Alibag or the Colaba fort and witnessed the difference between the forts that they saw earlier. The Colaba fort was constructed on water while the other two were on land. They also discussed about the occupations in Alibag like fishing, agriculture and that tourism had become the important occupation in Alibag. So children, in this way, the students enjoyed the beach and the next day in the morning after breakfast, they returned back. So children, here we completed with the chapter. I hope you understood the experience that these students had. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you and take care.